Did you know health channels on YouTube are absolutely booming right now? Channels like Dr. Sanai are getting over 20 million views just by posting simple AI-generated shorts. And the best part, you don't need fancy cameras, big budgets, or months of experience. Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create similar high-quality health videos using just AI. These videos can work perfectly for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Health is one of the most popular niches on YouTube because people are always looking for quick tips, advice, and hacks to improve their lives. And with the rise of shorts, people want information in a simple, easy-to-watch format. That's why AI-generated content is becoming a game changer. With just a few tools and the right steps, you can create professional-looking videos in hours instead of days. Step 1. Topic research. The first step is picking the right topic. This is super important because even the best video won't perform well if the topic isn't interesting. For that, I recommend using vidIQ. Just type in health or health tips. Look for topics with high search volume and low competition. This is your sweet spot. For example, topics like this often do really well. Take a little time here to pick a topic that's both trending and something your audience will find useful. Once you find that topic, you're ready to move to step 2. Step 2. Script generation. Now that you have your topic, it's time to generate a script. This is where Gemini AI comes in. Simply paste your topic into Gemini and ask it to create a Shorts Reels script with a strong hook, high audience retention, and easy-to-follow language. The AI will give you a full script in seconds. For example, it might start your video with a question or shocking fact to grab attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds. This is key for shorts because viewers decide within seconds whether to keep watching. Using AI for scripting saves you hours of work and ensures your video is structured for maximum engagement. Step 3. Voiceover. Once your script is ready, it's time for voiceover. I recommend using the free voiceover tool linked in the description. Just copy your Gemini-generated script, paste it into the tool, choose a voice that matches your niche, and adjust the speed slightly faster for shorts. Keep the pitch natural so it sounds lively and energetic. For example, if your video is about fitness tips, a confident, upbeat voice works best. And if it's about mental health, a softer, calming voice will resonate more with viewers. This step is simple but essential because a good voiceover keeps people watching until the end. Step 4. Images. First, we create image prompts. We have given a ready-made image prompt generator in the Google Docs linked in the description. Copy that and paste it under your script in Gemini, and it will generate multiple image prompts for your video. Now simply copy one of those prompts and paste it into Gemini's image generator to create your images in the same chart, and it will automatically create other scenes under it. You can crop or zoom in during editing to remove any watermarks and make them look clean and professional. Step 5. Animation. Now we add motion to make your video more dynamic. Go back to Gemini and ask it to create 3 to 5 word Meta AI animation prompts for each image. Then take these prompts to Meta AI and animate your visuals. Animation makes your video feel alive and keeps viewers interested. Even small movements like zooming, panning, or fading between images make a big difference in engagement. This step turns simple images into professional-looking content that feels polished and appealing. Step 6. Editing. Finally, it's time to put everything together. Combine your voiceover with your animated visuals. Make sure the timing is aligned so your voice matches the images perfectly. Add background music from the YouTube audio library to make the video more engaging. Keep the music at a low volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. You can also add small text overlays or captions to highlight key points, which helps viewers who watch without sound. Once everything looks smooth, your video is ready to upload. And just like that, you have a professional, high-quality health video ready for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok.